Today, hello guys, alas 6:30 ng hapon o gabi, kami po ay tutungo sa beach. Ayan. Kami po ang anak ko, di ba, kinasal noong nakaraan. So, ngayon, nag-drive sila ng 3 hours galing sa North Florida. Dumating na sila. At dito naman ay ititreat naman niya kami dito. Kami lang. Ako lang, asawa ko, and daddy niya na nag-fly din galing sa Kansas. Yung daddy niya kasi di ba sinasabi ko sa yung doktor? Doktor yung ex ko. At meron din siyang kaibigan doktor dito na kanyang binisita, kaya tama-tama lang na nandito siya. At ayun na nga, nag-effort naman yung anak ko na para sabay-sabay na lang kami, yung daddy niya, ako, no, yan, mag-dine in kasama yung aking manugang. Ayan, dalawa ng anak kong babae, no, exciting. So ito po, ayan, paano ko bang baliktarin ito? Ay, nako. Teka lang guys, ha. Napin ko muna yung option dito kung paano baliktarin ang cellphone. Paano ba itong baliktarin? Po. Ayaw bumaliktad. Ayan na lang. Ayan. Punta na kami sa beach. Ayan. At medyo maambon. At yeah. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo ang malapit lang kami sa beach. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo? Kaya yung gustong pumunta dito, bisitahin si MC, ayan. Welcome kayo dito, guys. So, wala munang issue. Mahirap yung may issue per me, di ba? Huwag tayo magpapa-stress mga issue na ganyan. Maiksi lang buhay ng tao. Kaya kailangan natin make the most of the time na binigay ni Lord sa atin. Yeah? Okay? Ayan. Kanina naghahanap ako. Paano ko bang baliktarin yung cellphone ko habang nagsasalita ako? Naalala ko nung binili ko tong cellphone na to sa Pinas, ay meron pala itong dual option. Yan. So ito, kita nyo, habang nagsasalita ako, ayan ang dinadaanan natin. Ito yung, kasi nandito lang talaga kami sa City of Clearwater. So, remember your, I think this is the one that they're going to have a big something like with movie, no, I don't think that's the one. The movie theater should be right by Cleveland. Kaya ito yung court. Ayan, ito yung court. Diyan ako permi noon. Pasok ko ng pasok diyan. Lahat ng mga ginagawa ko. Nakita mo beach na. Sabi ko sa inyo, malapit lang talaga ako sa beach. So, ang ganda ng lugar ko, guys. Very, yung calming pa, yung, I think that's the one, babe, that they're working on. No? And over there, nakita nyo naman po na yung mga bridges. Yeah. Approaching na po tayo sa beach. Kakain po kami, magdadine kami dito sa Krabby Bills Seafood Restaurant. Sorry guys, medyo maambon lang talaga, no? Maambon lang talaga siya. Medyo low tide siya ngayon, ay mababa yung tubig. That one is Lamborghini. Should have just buy a house for that car.
We have probably a mansion already.
Ha?
Probably got a mansion already.
Yung kotse na yan, Lamborghini, mahal pa yan sa bahay. It's more expensive than probably the house, unless his house is like a freaking mansion for him to afford that. Of course, there are a lot of millionaires living in Clearwater Beach. May mga nagsabi nga sa akin, ako MC, milyonarya ka pala. Bakit? Kasi nakatira ka dyan sa Clearwater Beach area. Sabi ko, hindi, oy. Hindi lahat na nakatira dito, mga rich. Hindi ako rich kids. Nangyari lang na dito ko pinili tumira. Noon pa. So lumiko sa dyan, mga millionaire, mga bahay dyan. Ito sa island state na yan. Tamo yung Hyatt, naka-pink yung building, Hyatt yan. Ito naman yung aquarium, guys. Yan ang pinakamalaking aquarium dito. Ayan. Sinasagip nila yung mga dolphins kasi dito sa Clearwater Beach, itong area na to, dito nanganganak yung mga dolphins. Totoo yan. Dito nanganganak. Kaya pag nanganak yung mga dolphins dito at minsan naiwanan ng nanay, sinasagip nila, dinideliver na yan. Yan yung tubig na yan. Dito nila nilalagay patungo doon sa Clearwater aquarium area, no? So, yes. Wow. There's something going on. I just wish that they kind of build some kind of a huge, you know what I'm talking about, like Ferris wheel right on the beach. So itong isa na to, ito yung original na Krabby Pills. So dito tayo, and then ayan, marina na to, ha. Ang lapit ko lang dito sa beach. Gaya ng sinasabi ko, nandito yung mga Hollywood actor, actress nakatira. Marami sila. Sorry na mamaos ako kasi sabi ko, di ba maulan kanina nung nanonood ako kay MP. Sabi ko, maingay, maulan. Dito kasi ang Clearwater Beach, sobrang sikat dahil pirmi itong #1 beach in America. Nangunguna talaga ito. At napakalinis, wala ka makikita ditong mga pulubi, mga homeless. Nililinis talaga nila ito, guys, itong lugar na to. At walang crime, ha, walang crime. So, at bakit ito sikat ay dahil po sa pinakaputing buhangin. Yan, daming tao. Pinakaputing buhangin dito, parang kulay ng asukal, puting asukal, sugar sand nga tawag nila dito. Yan, puro mga butik at restaurant nandito. Has the summer vacation ended? Not yet. Summer vacation pa sa mga bata. Yan o, mga bata o. Summer vacation. Pag summer vacation kasi at spring vacation, nandito mga yan. Yung mga tinatawag naming early bird. Sunbird. Yun yung mga taga-north. Yung, yan, mga puti yung balat. Mga galing sa Canada, Alaska, kung saan ibang lahat ng lugar, no? Ito'y pag-aari ito ni Hulk Hogan. Yan Hogan hangout. Hogan hangout. Ayan, nakalagay yan, Hogan hangout. Ito'y pag-aari ni Hulk Hogan, yung namatay na si Hulk Hogan. Ito naman yung Sand Pearl, pinakasikat, one of the really famous place, no? So ito, Mandalay Boulevard ito. So ito yung mga condominium na nandyan. Isang yung Friendship, pinakasikat din yan, yung no? So at dito may mga butik. So, dito tayo sa north side ng Clearwater Beach. So, that's Princess. Said a cruise. So, a cruise that would be right down in the middle. That looks like a pentagon shape pavilion. I think that turns into Krabby Bells, if I'm not mistaken. Could that be the one over there? Diyan, naku, napakasarap ng mga seafood nila dyan sa yung Rockaway na yan. Ay, namamalat ako. So, yan. Yung mga what do you call that? Dune? Sand dune. Is this? No. That's the one, Krabby Pavilion. So they changed it to Krabby Pavilion. This one. Right here. We're out of handicap parking. Oh, sige guys. Ulitin natin mamaya ha. Pakita ko sa'yo mamaya. Teka, mag-insert muna tayo ng pang ticket. Pagi yung ko ah. Ayan, pupuntahan natin. Kuha muna tayo, hugot muna tayo ng okay. So how much? Here, you insert, I got some dollar, I don't know. Tap to start. What? You need your license plate? Okay, enter the, I will call it to you. Kailangan pala yung license plate. Ang ganda yan. Z as in zebra. 41 Victor Lucas. Tama ba? Kulicheo handicap, no? Verify plate, enter to by citation. $3.50. Wait, I think. $4. Yeah.
Doesn't take cash on card.
Oh,
So we have to get credit or debit card. Put it in and take it out straight away. Yeah. That way, that's it, like that. Put it in, straight out again. Now you've run out of time on it. Yeah, you can start again.
Z 41
Yeah.
VL. So you have good memory, gali. Okay, you in it and verify.
Put the card in now, yeah. And pull it back out again, straight away, pull it out. Just press plus in the hours, however many hours you want.
How many hours?
next, if that's enough. There's 2 hours 17 enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Next, yeah. There you go.
Okay. Thank you for the
You're
help.
welcome. You can text the receipt if you want.
Nako, ginoo ko. Okay. Put na car. Put na dashboard.
No need to display it.
Don't need to.
Oh,
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
thank you so much, sir. Ay, ito na kami. Ayan. Ito yung... Ayan na yung beach, guys. Eh, pwede na kayo maglakad dyan. Ay, maliligo na lang kayo. Habang ako'y kumakain dito. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Mamaya, no? Kita mo ang puti-puti ng buhangin. Ayan, dito tayo. Okay.
Just the way you are. Billy Joel thing. I've been learning that song, so I've been enjoying playing it out while I still try and learn it. Sometimes those are the most fun ones to play. We were born before the wind, also conquering from the sun. Yeah, our final boat is one as we sail into the mystic. Hark now, hear the sailors cry. Smell the sea, feel the sky, as our souls and spirits fly to the mystic. When I fall, you know I will come home. When I fall, I'm so close. Don't have to fear it. Like your gypsy soul, just like way back in those days of old. And magnificent little float into the mystery. Don't let you stop me, baby. Come on and sing it to you. Don't let you stop, baby. Baby, into the mystery.
They said you're just gonna walk it. By the way, I don't know which blueprints he's talking about. Grabe ang puti ng It's my son.